guys, are you excited? Welcome. My name is Semret Russom, and this program we're gonna be talking about Tigrinya, and it's gonna be called Tigrinya Tuesday. Every Tuesday, I'm gonna bring you in my language, teaching my family, and of course, teaching you guys, most importantly, about my language. So, are you excited? Are you ready? Are you excited, Delina? Are you excited? She is. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
You ready? All right, let's get started. Always, right? All right, so سلام شكرينك ترادينا لنا حج باركس نسب آية نستدينا بتجرينا أطري كاب حادث قاب عصرته كمهرة and حدا خلتنا جراس كأني أبس مرة خيدنا خلنا نتجزأنا يو فيسبوك بناي تجرينا تحجزوا على مصحف مسانا كمهرة بخوميتات قل له معاتي بعض فرحنا مالتيو. So to those of you who don't speak Tigrinya, I'm going to be teaching my husband. Tigrinya is a language of Eritrea. I'm going to teach my husband 1 through 10 how to say it in Tigrinya.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Oh,
Good job.
that I remember.
That you remember. So,
Can I say my name?
yes, let me ask you first though. Menu Shimka.
Hold on. Can I look at my Facebook? But do you tell me what these are?
Yes, Facebook.
Shime. Shime Robil.
But you have to say the whole sentence.
Shime Robil Ayu.
EU.
EU. Shime Robil EU. Ya Anyele.
Ganzevka.
Huh?
Look. Good job, Delina.
She's learning too.
نفعتي Delina.
Okay.
Yes. So, do you remember anything in Tigrinya that you learned?
I remember little phrases here and there.
Like what?
Like Tur'um Boom.
Ta'umbun, yes.
Kome Hadarki.
Yes.
Kome Hadarka. And I used to know the numbers, but I need to learn them again.
Okay, no problem. We're gonna get into that lesson soon. But anything else you remember?
Shakur.
Shukur,
Mai.
Uh-huh.
Water. Shahi. For tea. Shakur. Sugar. I
And
think she has a crush on the cameraman.
coffee?
Coffee boon. Boon.
Ta'umbun. Wow, you remember a lot. بزح ذكيتك نفع.
Ya Anyele.
كنزفك.
So your sisters are Hafte.
Do you remember a brother?
Hafka.
Hawe.
Hawe.
So that's a lot that you remember.
But I think if we do this every week,
You'll learn a lot.
and we'll learn along with
And to
Delina.
Delina too, yes. So today we're going to be learning in Tigrinya. So you're going to learn how to count 1 to 10. So I'm going to say it and you're going to say it and hopefully you will remember them.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Owa.
Oh, Nufar. Good job.
Nufar.
So, Hade,
Hade.
Klite,
Kilite.
Celeste,
Kilite or Klite?
Klite,
Kilite.
Uh-huh.
Kilite. Hade. Kilite.
Celeste,
Celeste.
Arba'ate,
Arbaate.
Hamushte,
Hamuste.
Shudushte,
Shudushte.
Shoate,
Shoate.
Shomunte,
Shemante.
Tishate,
Tishiate.
Aserte.
Aserte.
You ready?
What's zero?
0.
No. Bado. Well, I have a little cheat sheet.
You got me.
I speak better than she does.
You
This is
honest?
pathetic.
Oh my god, that was so funny. Honestly, I would have said 0. That was perfect. Good job. You're gonna teach me Tigrinya.
Thank
I'm
you.
proud.
Yeah, Angela. Okay.
Ganzevka. Okay. That was perfect. You did better than me.
Bado, Hade, Kilite, Celeste, Arbaate, Hamuste, Shudiste, Shoate, Shamante, Tishiate,
Yeah.
acerte.
Bravo. This one.
Okay. I have to repeat it a few times because I'm cheating a little bit.
Okay, so can you try not to cheat?
Okay.
Huh?
Bado.
Okay.
Bado.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm nervous because there's too much pressure.
Don't be. It's just.
Bado. Habe.
Uh-huh. Kilite.
Kilite.
Uh-huh.
Kilate. Celeste. Arbaate.
Uh-huh. Ha.
Hamuste.
Uh-huh.
Shiduste.
Uh-huh.
Shiduste.
Yes. Sure.
Shoate.
Uh-huh. Well, you're reading now.
I know. Tishiate.
Uh-huh.
Tishiate.
No, how do you say
Asete.
8 though? You missed 8.
Shemante.
Uh-huh.
Shemante.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
How many month is Delina?
Shoate.
Yep. What he means month.
Wadhi.
Yeah.
Wadhi.
Sho'ata warhi.
Showate. Showato.
So,
Wadhi. 7 months.
7 months.
Showato. Showate. Had wadi.
Warhi.
Wahi.
Yeah.
Showate.
Warhi.
Showate. Wahi.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Kobas.
Hade. Kileiste.
Kilite.
Kilite.
Uh-huh.
Shamuste.
No.
Celeste.
It's going really well.
Hade. Kilate.
Uh-huh.
Shemante.
No. You say 8.
Celeste. Arbaate.
Uh-huh.
Hamuste.
Good job. But you're saying it really good though.
It's phonetic, so that part is pretty easy.
Yeah. I mean, you're pretty good actually.
When we were in Eritrea, I was able to count to 30.
Yes.
Something. But I need to immerse for a while.
Yes.
Okay. Bado, hade, hade, kiliate.
Uh-huh. Go
Give me a
ahead.
hint, give me a hint. Celeste,
Govis, yes.
arbaate,
Uh-huh. Ha.
haduste,
Ham.
hamuste,
Uh-huh.
shemante,
No, you said it already. Yeah.
shidiste,
Uh-huh.
shidiste,
How old is Delina?
showate,
Govis.
showate,
Uh-huh. And?
shemante.
Uh-huh.
So 7, 8 are similar. Showate, shemante, tishiate,
Uh-huh.
tishiate,
Uh-huh.
and acerte.
Oh my God, good job, Baba.
I kind of cheated a little bit.
But you did better than
Yeah.
a few times. You know, when you repeat it, you kind of remember it.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
1,
Hade,
2,
kiliate,
3,
celeste,
4,
arbaate,
5,
hamuste,
Six.
shiliste,
7,
shawate,
8,
selante, shemante,
Go on.
shemante,
9,
tishiate,
yes, 10.
acerte.
Bravo! Oh wow! Look at you! Yes, you did it!
And I know 0.
Yes,
Wow,
more
you
than
don't
me.
even know it.
Kawain lan sa palito.
One more time.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
You really want to do this?
Owa.
Okay. Owa. Gobas. Had it.
1.
1. 1.
Hade.
2. You
Tishiate. No, that's not.
Let's do it again.
Alright.
1,
Hade.
2,
Kilete.
3,
Celeste.
4,
Arbaate.
5,
Hamuste.
6,
Shiruste.
7,
Shawate.
8,
Shemante.
9,
Tishiate.
10.
Acerte.
Oh my God, you did it!
Alright, now ask me tomorrow.
You guys, I hope you enjoyed this segment.
So proud of myself.
Yes, you should
Can I get a
definitely.
kiss?
You need to cut that out. So the lesson of today was teaching my husband 1 through 10 in Tigrinya. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think you did an amazing job. He also taught me something in my language, which is so hilarious. It was pretty funny, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, leave a comment for us. And if you want to see more different ideas, let us know. But this is the kind of ideas that we are going to bring you. Tigrinya Tuesday. We are out.
Actually, ideas on what she should be teaching me next.
Oh, that's true. That is true. Yes. And also let me know how Robiel did. And Delina is getting ready to learn. Right, Delu? Do you want a book? Say thank you. Say bye. See you next time. Say bye-bye. Ciao.